Well, if you're thinking of getting your real estate license, you might be asking the question, are real estate agents rich? Well, if you're going based off of what you see on TV, you might have a little bit of a skewed view on what it actually means to be a real estate agent and a little skewed view of our income. Now, real estate markets vary greatly. So if you're watching real estate agents in New York and you're looking at those big high prices, they're selling multi-million-dollar homes and they're getting hundreds of thousands of dollars at the closing table, that is not Jacksonville, Florida. I want to tell you that first and foremost. Our average price point here currently is a little over $300,000. And never before has there been more competition with agents. So typically we're 3,000 to 4,000 agents. Currently we're over 10,000. So what you have is a smaller amount of homes, more agents, you also have more competition, and you have a crunch on how real estate agents and what we're paid. Now here's the thing, real estate, what agents are paid has always been negotiable. Always been negotiable. However, the standard of what you typically hear, that changes and that goes down. So what we're paid varies based on price point and what a seller is willing to pay upon successful closing of a transaction. I wanted to let you know that the average real estate agent makes $40,000 a year. They're not all millionaires, they're not all driving BMWs. And I caution you, whenever you're looking at an agent or you meet an agent and they're flashy, don't get into the weeds by what you see. That is perception. The average makes about $40,000. And you've got to understand too, we are 1099, so whenever you decide to get your real estate license, you are responsible for everything. You are responsible for your yearly dues, you are responsible for your online credit education, you are also responsible for all fees of getting started. Website, broker fees that come out of every single check that you receive, you must pay the broker. You also have tons of upfront costs like gas. And in a city like Jacksonville, Florida, where you could easily drive 30,000 miles a year, you're gonna fork out some money in gas, as well as marketing expenses on location. So you wanna make sure you're taking all that into consideration. If you're making $40,000, you've got to subtract out what you pay the broker and what you pay to just run your business day to day before you even get a paycheck. You got to make sure that this is something you want to do and you're doing it for the right reasons, which is to serve others.